is not really sitting on the rim, but it is out of air. Last night I was down in the garage and I'm hearing to do. Hey, welcome to an episode of Viperghini TV. Today's episode is to deal with all the issues, because there are a couple that are wrong with my Lamborghini. And we're gonna pause right here. We're gonna hit that subscribe button. I'm a new YouTuber. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed already, liked my videos, commented on my videos. Again, this is a process. It's a lot harder than I actually thought, pumping out these videos every day, but hopefully they're interesting and you're learning something. So the right rear tire on my Lamborghini went flat. I put the snow tires on, I think, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. It doesn't really matter. But yesterday I got home and there was a little air leak out of here. So we're gonna take that tire off right now. We're gonna take it over to Revolution Tire and get it fixed. I'm gonna actually put in here a good way, if you don't know, a lot of people do know, but if you don't know how to check where the hole actually is in your tire, here's a quick way. Just spray the tire with a little bit of soapy water until you see bubbles like this. Of course this worked last night. Now it's not working. And then you can see the bubbles just slowly coming out of here. All right, we're in business. The tire's fixed. It was a little nail. The head of the nail wasn't even there. It was just like the edge of a rusty nail. I know I picked it up in my driveway. Back on and deal with the rest of the issues with that car. It's gonna make my hair go gray. Wait a minute. But also we have a couple of lights on the dash. Here they are. One is it shows the bonnet is open because I have that Squadra Corsa look-alike kit on the car. I don't use the actual latching system, so I had it locked. I guess when I had the car wrapped last week, somebody tried to pop the hood. Okay, so we don't have to take the wing off anymore. I stuck a screwdriver in there and was able to pry the little latching mechanism over, which is signaling the car to say that the trunk is actually closed. So there, one less bunch of bullshit I gotta do. And this is gonna be the death of me with that car. The tail light. Last week I fixed the right side brake light, and now the left side brake light of course goes, and that's a whole ordeal. This is what it's like to change the brake light. Okay, we got the light unbolted. I'm gonna put you on the wing. I'm gonna show you all about this thing that's causing me a bunch of issue. So here's the bulb from last time. I taped it up, I've tried everything with this stupid thing, and this is all it is. There. The other side does the same thing, but I got a trick this time. What I'm gonna see, and you're gonna be like, did that guy just do that? You know it's Gorilla Glue or epoxy, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of Gorilla Glue around the edges to try to keep this bulb in place because it's driving me nuts. I am gonna go out on a limb here and say I'm the only one with a Lamborghini gluing the bulb on. But see, what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit on like that. That way if it does go again, it'll be easy just to quickly just break the epoxy off and get the bulb out. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this here because that has to dry for, I don't know, 24 hours. I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I'm not gonna even drive the car tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave that overnight. What I have to do is just basically put the car back together. So what you seen in that little montage, I'm gonna reverse the process. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I am a new YouTuber, so I appreciate every one of you that takes your time and watches these videos. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I appreciate a subscription. I got 350, 360 right now. I'm getting there, and I'll see you on the next one. Anyway, we're on our way to Revolution. Pretty shitty out. It snowed last night pretty good. I don't really know what else to say about that.